guys, in this video we're going to go through the unboxing and the details of the electric bike. Due to some poor audio quality, the unboxing is going to be more of a time lapse with some music put to it, and then we'll go through showing you how to set it up, how to unfold it, and the features that we like about each bike. Hope you enjoy the video.
Well, because of bad audio, I wasn't able to really give a good review on this Lectric 2.0. Beth has the step-through white one, and I've got the black one. I'll tell you what, for an entry-level Go electric bike, these things are just amazing. It does about 20 miles an hour. It's nice because it's a foldable bike. This thing stores so easy. We'll link some other pictures in here. We've had this for about 5 weeks now. The more I ride it, the more I really enjoy it. And here's your pivot point here. We did opt for the suspension seat. It comes with a bigger seat, comes with a suspension rod. I personally might go back to the smaller seat. It's a 7-speed. One thing we did add, we added the GoPro mount obviously, but the little bell, because when you're on a public path with walkers, you want somehow to let them know that you're behind them. But this thing is super fun to ride. It's comfortable. It now has the 2.0 has a suspension front, which is awesome. Takes away a lot of the wear and tear on you. But these things are just so cool. We're not an affiliate at all. It's just something that we had purchased because we wanted to kind of have an entry level into the electric world, and we were not disappointed. These guys are made in Phoenix. Again, it's called Lectric Bike. They have a black one or they have a white one. The white one's a step through, meaning, you know, the frame is shorter, easier for women to get through. So this frame kicks down to about here. I will show you some video here of the thing all folded up. It's simple to fold up. It's quick. So I think it weighs about 60 pounds. But man, these things are just a rocket. The battery is encased inside the tube here. This is a charging port right here, so you can charge it inside the bike, or you can take the battery will slide right out, and you can charge it inside. The key goes up here on the bottom. This is my bike lock key and the key for this. This adjustment here, and has a nice little display. I don't know if you can see that. Pedal assist, I just have it on 2, just kind of taking my time and just really enjoying this trail. This trail is so cool. It's beautiful. It is fall, as you can tell, and man, it's really cool out here, and this bike makes it so much fun. So like I said, I'm just going to show you real quick on how fast these things break down. It is incredibly fast. Another lever right here, and it just folds like so. I'm not going to break it all the way down because we're still riding it, but that's how easy this bike breaks down. The pedals fold in. Super simple. Like I said, I can't say enough about these electric bikes. They are fantastic. Alright guys, totally spaced out on showing you the step-through bike. So I'm going to kind of show it to you as it is folded up. We just pulled it out of the back of the fifth wheel. So this is the battery. We happened to pull it out to charge it last time we rode it. You can either leave it on the bike and charge it, or you can pull it out and charge it inside. I will show you how it goes in. It goes in super easy. Basically, you're going to lift up the bike, and it's just going to slide in. Now, the thing you want to make sure is you've got a lock port here, which is this post here, and then you want to make sure that your charging port's on the other side. It pretty much only goes in one way. You'd figure it out when you got it, because this would be oblong. This is basically, I'll show you, it's got a nice pull handle as well. So if you put it in backwards, you know, this is what you're going to come up with. So you'll figure it out real quick. So it slides in. Now you're going to take your key and you're going to put it in the bottom here. If I can find the keyhole. So you're going to put it in the bottom, and then you are going to engage the lock. Just like so, it engages. Okay, and pull your key out. Now you're at the point to where you want to fold it, or unfold it I should say. So you're just going to kind of swing this side out and kind of get in the middle. Okay, this has a little lock on it. It will lock in place. And then the handlebars lock in place. Put the kickstand down. Same thing, the step-through also has the front suspension. You can adjust it. You open it this way. Okay, and then you can adjust up or down here. Now on Best Bike, we went ahead and we put the larger light on there. We didn't really notice much of a difference between the stock light and the larger light, other than the reflector. It has a much larger reflector cone on it. We also, with her bike, decided to go with the suspension post as well as the suspension seat. The bigger pad. She also has a bell on there. The only difference is she has a cell phone mount. I don't use one because I usually have the GoPro on mine. Again, it's a 7-speed bike. The pedals are kind of cool. I'm not going to lie to you, it took a little bit to figure out these pedals, and I'll have Beth come over. I fought with these for a while till I figured out how easy it was. They just push in and you can fold them either way. So basically, you just want to push this in. And that's how you fold the pedals together, so you have less of a footprint when it's folded together. You have the working light up front. You have a actually reflecting and working flashing red light on the tail. It comes with fenders. additional options you can buy. You can buy a lock that would mount right here. You can buy a basket kit. It'll go here as well as bolt up here. It does come with this back rack as stock. You can actually buy bags. We actually have a bag set up for this one as well. So that is the step through 2.0. If you have any questions, please let us know. Don't forget to hit that bell on the bottom so you know when we upload a new video, and leave us a comment. We'll talk to you later. Thanks again.